Good day, grade 9. Today we are going to very quickly look at horizontal and vertical lines and their equations. So that means I want you to look at the first example. They give you 4 points here. And what is the first thing that you notice about these points? That all of them have, let me do that, all of them have the same output value. So for each point, the output is 1. Can you all see that? So what does it look like when I plot this? For my first point A, x is negative 3 and y is 1. So I'm going to get a point about there. For the second point B, x is negative 2 and y is again 1. So I get another point there. For x equal to 0, y will be 1. So I'm going to get a point there. For x2, y is 1, so I get a point there. So my points are lying like that. If I connect them now, what am I going to get? I'm going to get a straight line. So for every point on that line, regardless of what the input values of x is, the output will always be 1. And because of that, the equation for this graph will simply be, just get that, the graph of y will always be 1, regardless of what x is. And that line is parallel to the x-axis, and your output is a constant. So if I look at the second example now, I look at the points 3 and negative 2, 3 and negative 1, 3 and 0, 3 and 3. Can you see what I see? Yes, all the input values are the same. They're all 3 and 3. So you only have one input value, and that means x is 3. So regardless of what y is, x must be 3. So if I plot those points, where x is 3 is here, and y is negative 2, it means I'm going to go down 2, and I'm going to more or less get a point there. And for x3 again, y must be negative 1. So I'm going to get a point there. For x3, y is 0, so it's going to lie on the x-axis. And for x3, y must be 3, so it's going to be a point there. Up 3, so it's going to be more or less there. So if I connect them, what do I get? I get a vertical line that is parallel to the y-axis. And the equation of this line, my line is very skew. Let me just try and straighten it a bit. It doesn't look too good. So let's try again. So let's just get a line that is more or less parallel to the y-axis. For this one, my equation will then be x must be equal to 3. It must always be a constant. And I will get a line that is parallel to the y-axis. Give me for that 3. That is it. This is today's work. So if there is a constant, if y is the constant, then the line will be parallel to the x-axis. And if x is the constant, your straight line will be parallel to the y-axis. Enjoy the homework, and that is that. Thank you.